Okay, so welcome to another solving activity. So we're going to solve quadratic inequality. So actually this is word problem that involves quadratic inequality. So this problem is taken from the pivot module. So let us try to solve. So let us first read this problem. So Mrs. Reina is planning to fence her vacant lot for a parking space. The desired length of the lot is 6 meters longer than its width. What will be the possible dimensions of the rectangular parking space if it should be less than 40 square meters? So there's a hint. Length times width is equal to area of rectangle. So we have here the illustration showing the dimensions of the desired length of a lot. So here you have the length and the width. So x is represented by the width. And our length is x plus 6 since the length of the lot is 6 meters longer than its width. And the parking space is less than 40 square meters. So what we're going to do is to let our x as our width. Then you have x plus 6 as your length. And we have the hint here of the area is equal to length multiplied by the width since it is a rectangle. So we're going to devise a working inequality here. So we know that the product of the length and the width should be less than 40 square meters. So we can say that you have the width multiplied by the length is less than 40 square meters. So the next thing is we're going to solve. We're going to distribute x here. So you have x times x, so that's x squared, plus x times 6, so that's 6x. It's less than 40. So in order to solve the inequality, let us first solve for the solution or the roots by making the inequality an equation. So let us first rewrite this inequality: x squared plus 6x equals 40. So you have x squared plus 6x minus 40. So you just transpose 40 equals 0. Then we can solve this by factoring. So you have here factors of negative 40. So factors of x, or you have x and x. Factors of 40, you have 10 and 4. That can give us positive 6 as the sum. So we have here positive and negative. So we have x equals negative 10 and x is equal to 4. So these are the solution or the roots. Of course, since the other root is negative, we disregard the negative. Disregard the negative. Just retain the positive answer. So the answer is 4. So 4 here means that this will be our length, width, sorry. So you have this as your width, 4. Then your length will be 10. X plus 6 4 plus 6 is 10. And the area is 40. Now, if we're going to check the inequality using 4 as the solution, so you have, so we're going to check x multiplied by x plus 6 is less than 40. So we let x equal to 4. So you have 4 times the quantity of 4 plus 6 less than 40. So 4 times 10 is less than 40. 40 is less than 40. Of course, we know that it is a false statement because 40 is not less than 40. So, based on the problem, we are looking for the possible dimensions of the parking lot which is less than 40. So, if we're going to assign a number, so let us first put a number line. We know that the original answers are, you have negative 10 and 4. So let's say you have negative 5 here, you have 0 here. So of course, we disregard negative 10 and other negative numbers since there is no negative measurement for area. And of course, as we all know, 4 is not already included in the possible dimensions. So we are only choosing now between 1, 2, and 3. Of course, 0 is also not included because there is no width as 0 or the area. So let us first start with 1. X is equal to 1. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Using the inequality, so you have 1 times 1 plus 6 less than 40. 1 times the quantity of 1 plus 6, so that's 7, is less than 40. 1 times 7 is less than 40. So this is true. Let us try with 2. So 2, that will be 2 plus 6 less than 40. 2 times 2 plus 6, that's 8, less than 40. 2 times 8, that is 16, is less than 40. So that is also true. And lastly, we have 3. So we have 3 times the quantity of 3 plus 6 less than 40. 3 times 3 plus 6, that's 9, less than 40. 3 times 9, that's 27, is less than 40. So this is also true. So the possible dimensions that we are looking for are, so if x, which stands for the width, is 1, 2, and 3, our length, which is x plus 6, just add, so you have 7, 8, and 9. So these are the possible dimensions that we are looking for. 1, 2, 3, and 7, 8, 9. And they are all less than 40 square meters. Okay. So that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Thank you and have a good day.